want to quickly show you guys my 1986 Terada Factory Pre-Elitist Epiphone Casino, and it's been a great guitar, but as with all my guitars, I need some sort of vibrato on it. So over the holidays I put a Bigsby B6 on it, and lo and behold, the break angle was not good. So all these strings were popping out. Every bend I made, the high E would pop out, even if I put like a 13 gauge on there and I put a 52 gauge on the low E, but it would still pop out with heavy strumming. I can't play a guitar like that because I have a heavy right hand. And so I scoured the internet for images of people putting B6s on casinos to see if other people have done it. And if other people have done it, it must work, right? It just did not work on my guitar. So as I was scouring the internet, I saw an image of this. Talner down tension bar 2. These were not meant to be put on Bigsby's. Chris Towner created these to put on casinos to create a better break angle for the trapeze tailpiece, not to be put on vibrato equipped guitars. But I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a try. And I created just enough break angle to be able to strum heavily and to bend the strings without the strings popping out. The reason he recommends for you to not use it on the Bigsby is because this is not a roller. It's just the bar. And the good thing is the bar is close enough to the bridge where when you use the Bigsby, the whole thing rocks. So not a lot of friction happening over here. Just in case I did lube the underside of the down tension bar, but took it to rehearsal tonight. It stayed in tune great, and I'm happy with it. And I get to keep my Bigsby B6 on the guitar. So there you go. If you want to put a Bigsby B6 on your casino, this totally works. Thanks for watching.